today I'm going to show you how to do the SSK stitch. It is a slip slip knit and it is a 1 stitch left leaning decrease. It is the opposite of a knit 2 together, which is a right leaning 1 stitch decrease. So let me show you how we do this. You're going to slip the first stitch knitwise, slip the second stitch knitwise. Then we're going to take our left needle, put those 2 slip stitches back on our needle, and then we're going to knit them through the back loop. Wrap the yarn around and push them off the needle. And there you can see the left leaning decrease. So let me show you once more. We're going to slip the first stitch, slip the second stitch knitwise, then you're going to put your needle back in, pick them up. You don't have to drop them off the needle actually, because you're in the correct knitting position at the moment. Then you're going to wrap your yarn around, pull through and knit those 2 stitches together. I'll show you once more slowly. We're going to slip the first stitch, slip the second stitch because we're actually turning these stitches. Then we're going to stick the needle in, pick up those 2 stitches, hold the other needle in place, wrap the yarn around, pull the thread through and drop them off the needle. And that is how you do the SSK stitch.